How to insert text and titles in LightCut. First of all, open the app on your device and select the project you want to edit. Once your video is loaded into timeline, tap on the text option at the bottom of the screen. Next, choose the style of text or title you want to add. LightCut offers various fonts, colors, animations, and pre-designed title templates that you can customize to match your video's style. Tap on your preferred template to insert it into the timeline. You can then type your text, adjust the size, position, and duration, and even apply animation effects to make it more dynamic. Preview the text in your video to make sure it appears exactly where and how you want. Once you are satisfied, save or export your video with the new text and titles applied. Using text and titles effectively can highlight key points, introduce segment, or give your videos a more polished look. Now you know how to insert text and titles in LightCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.